morning, friends. Mostly, we have seen people often talk about like how did the guys been successful, right? We always typically, right? We never knew what is the background of a particular person, but we always somehow try to correlate with us, right? Because we always also competing in the similar or in a different domain. But we tell them like maybe might be he was a little lucky, right? So I think that's the thought process which many people have. But the most successful people in this world will never have that thought of the other guy being lucky, right? So it's very important, right? Guys, let's not look at like how a person is being lucky, but let's look at the background behind the guy, how he has been lucky, right? So in that aspect, like I always started analyzing the successful people. Like one of the main things that I have seen is like one is the dreaming, right? They always dream a lot, right? And then they are very positive. The second thing is they have been very positive. And the third is like they put the constant and conscious efforts. And the fourth thing is like the practice, right? So I've always seen like neither anybody in that any field who have been far successful, like take tennis or badminton, right? And then probably in terms of the strong technology leadership, right? And even in terms of public speaking, though it's a little, some people have a flair of speaking very good from their childhood, like as Kasif said, like it's debatable, it's a born leader or like a made leader, right? But then I always felt like even a public speaking or certain skills that we want to develop, I believe like these four skills are definitely needed, right? But it's also very important to be positive. And at this age, I cannot dream that I can become a tennis player in the world, right? So to be a tennis player, I think I need to start at the age of 6 actually. So similarly, for a public speaker, it may not be really needed to be started at the age of 6. But as you have been at that age, you could still try to find out like, is this the right choice for me, right? Or it's a hobby for me, right? So there's always plenty of choices for us. But to really dream about what you want to become, start thinking at the right time. It's more important. And then the dream has to be really very positive dream, right? So start thinking about it and start in your sleep, right? Start dreaming a lot, and then definitely the dream is going to be a lot more addiction to you than a guy which is going to pull you from the back, right? It's definitely not a luck that is going to make you a successful guy. So the most important things that I have seen, like probably take the case of Rafael Nadal or like Roger Federer. We are taking the cases where the hard work, perseverance, like the efforts, practice are more seen very visible with these people. So predominantly in our technology or non-technology in a political domain, like unless we closely watch them from behind, or then you would not see the hard work they have put or the dream that they have actually. So it's either we hear through somebody, but then let's look at very clearly like how those guys have been dreaming from their beginning, right? So I heard like Nadal, like Venus Williams, Serena Williams have been starting their tennis at 4 years of age. It's like when I saw that video, with Serena and Venus were been running with their father at the age of 4 years, and they were preparing for the tennis. So to the place they are now, it's really it's like almost like they were dreaming from the age of 3. And I could see them clearly being very positive always, and they are never defeated by the defeats in their tournaments. And then they have been very cautious about putting their efforts, and then continuous practice, right? So definitely I have seen these qualities in every person who have been very successful. So let us look clearly the guys why they are lucky, rather than be cornering them as the guy's chalta hai, he has been a lucky guy, right? So friends, my message is it's just something that I have been observing people. So definitely you guys will also have your own leaders who might be your what you call as your role model or whatever it is. Let's start thinking about it, and then obviously we want to make a similar role for us as well. So because my dream is also public speaking. That was not from my beginning of my childhood though, but then once I entered my professional life, I have been impressed by some of the CEOs. Like it was a natural flag of leadership, and couple of people who have a ruthless style of leadership and have been very successful. So for me as well, I decided, looking at the people who have been successful speaker, the amount of efforts they have put in terms of training them to be one of the good speakers, and obviously with the efforts, practice, and being positive had always helped them to sail to the shore. So, friends, I think let's start making a positive impact by dreaming, and then hope our dreams will come true.